Kingsroad network connection error, unable to connect to server on Android. 1. Restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap restart, wait for device to reboot. Launch the game again. 2. Check internet connection. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your router if needed. Avoid weak network signals. Retry connecting to the server. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn off Wi-Fi, use mobile data instead, or switch back to Wi-Fi. Launch the game again. 4. Check game server status. Wait a few minutes if servers are busy. Retry connection later. Avoid logging in during maintenance periods. 5. Clear game cache. Open settings, go to apps, select Game of Thrones Kingsroad, tap storage, press clear cache. Restart the game. 6. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off VPN applications, disable proxy settings, restart internet connection, launch the game again. 7. Update the game. Open Google Play Store, search Game of Thrones Kingsroad, tap update if available, relaunch the game. 8. Clear Google Play Services cache. Open settings, go to apps, Google Play Services, tap storage, press clear cache. 9. Disable battery saver mode. Open settings, go to battery, turn off battery saver, power saving mode, retry connecting online. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall the game completely. Restart your Android phone. Download the game again from Play Store. Install and connect to servers again.